Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Rhonda. Thank you very much for coming. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and please click the thumbs up button for me. I just got through doing a video on the purple eye look, and this is my second time I've ever wore false eyelashes, and they make me feel so weird. I can't tell if that one looks like it's trying to come off or something. It just feels weird. But these are a bit bold. If I was to wear them, this would not be my everyday look, even if I was to decide I like them. So, if you watched the other video, it did shut off before I could put these on. So those are, I cannot tell if that's, it keeps feeling like it's poking me in the eye, and it just makes my eyes look really dark. But there's the final look. I did a video on the eye look. I just did on the first impression on the Morphe palette. I just did a first impression on Wonder Beauty contour and blush, and I did a first impression on my lip gloss, the Morphe lip gloss, if you're interested. So I got, if y'all remember, I posted a video not long ago telling y'all about the box of style that they had on sale for $35 off, plus you get to choose one free item that was valued at least, I cannot help, it just feels like that's about to fall off. I'm thinking it's gonna make y'all feel like you're staring at my eyelash that's fixing to fall off or something. It just feels so weird, but I don't have my mirror here to look at it. But if y'all remember, I showed you I think it was last week or the week before, I showed you all the sale that they were having on Box of Style, where you could choose, it was a makeup bag, a towel, or a black macrame purse. So I got mine. This box is huge. Look how huge this box is. And I did it. It was just too good of a deal to pass up. And when I had my house fire, like I said, I lost everything. I didn't even have an overnight bag. If we went anywhere, I just put my things in a bag, and this had a really nice overnight bag. So I chose the free towel. They said this towel was valued at $170, and I looked it up. I can't remember what's it called, Mishoni Home. I'm not sure if that's how you pronounce it or not. I went to the Mishoni website, and sure enough, these towels are $170. But this is huge, and you see how huge this towel is. Here is the right side where you can see the pretty print. It is huge, and it is nice and soft. It's just, I can't imagine paying $170 for a towel. But it was free, so you can't pass up free. Let me make this thing turn this off. Okay, and that was the free item. So then we also got, this is the one item that I really wanted, and I had actually looked at buying this item off Macari from somebody who didn't want theirs, because I just thought these were so pretty, and I love earrings. Look how pretty. I thought these were that fabric. What's it? Like the tassel, like a yarn or whatever it is, that the earrings, but these are, so you can hear them, these are actual beads. And these are so pretty. These are valued at, let's see, they feel a bit heavy, but I still think they're really pretty. I'm thinking it was $39.99. Well, this don't have a thing in it that actually tells the price, I don't guess. It tells the price of that. Okay, it tells the price of that. Where are the ears? Oh, here they are. No, it says they're retail for $55. I thought it said on the website, I was thinking it said $39 or something like that. Let's see. I haven't wore earrings in a while, but I do love earrings. See how pretty? I like them. I've been wanting some black tassel-y ones, but white will do for now. They're really not that heavy either once you put them on. I thought they would feel heavier than this, but they don't. There. See how pretty? I like them. Okay, I'm just going to keep those on for now. So those retail for $55. And then we had this, I'm not sure how you pronounce this, Kosas, K-O-S-A-S. It's a color and light, it says color and light cream, cream blush, and highlighter. I don't really care for cream, but I will try it. Let's see how much that says that is. It says this is $34. I wouldn't pay $34 for a little bitty thing unless it was really, really remarkable. And I get to get it open. There we go. So there's that. And it is a cream. I haven't even wiped the swatches off from the video I just did. There's that. Let's see. Let me try these swatches again. So, let's see. There. Oh, that is really pretty though. And then there's the highlighter. Well, I might use those. That's pretty. Yeah, I think I will try that. That is really pretty. Okay, that is valued at, what did I say, 34? Yep, 34. And then we got this Grown Alchemist. I'm not sure how you pronounce that, but that looks right. Alchemist. This is in the, I guess it's Botanical Beauty. I guess that's the fragrance. It says Hydra Repair Day Cream, Camellia, Geranium, Blossom. Okay. And it doesn't smell too strong. Here's that. I know a lot of people love this brand, and I've heard a lot of people really like it because it's supposed to be so good for your skin. I've had a few of them. I think I got from FabFitFun. I don't think I've had this particular fragrance. This retails for $49. Wow. $49 for that little tube. It is 2.19 full ounces or 65 milliliters. Let me look again. Yes, it's a Hydra Repair Day Cream. $49. This box is, if you've looked into it, it is on the more expensive side for boxes because it does come with really, really high-end products. And yeah, I wouldn't pay the regular price that they charge for this box, but $35 off. If y'all remember, I showed it not long ago, just a week or two ago, and it's worth it for that. But yeah, I wouldn't pay their full price for it. I had eyed the bag because, like I said, I needed an overnight bag for like if I go stay at my mom's or something, but I wouldn't pay that for it. But when they had the 4th of July sale for $35 off, plus you get to choose a free item, I couldn't resist it. So then we have this with the pretty little, it was this or a black one, pretty little fringy things. It was this or the black, and I think it was black and red or something. And it says this can be worn in multiple ways. And it had some pictures here of how they were wearing it. Here's the picture. She's got it like a scarf, and then there's a picture that she's wrapped it around kind of like a dress over her, looks like maybe a bathing suit. And let's see, this retails for $195. Like I said, the stuff in this box, it's the Rachel, what's her name? Rachel Zoe, and she chooses only the highest end products, things that I personally would never buy, but since it's basically so cheap, I had to get it. This comes in its own dust bag, and this is huge. This will pack me and Levi's things both if we're not going to be going too long. It has the little feet. I love purses and bags that have the little metal feet. And see, it has this here. I don't see it. I don't see it. Oh, here it is. A strap you can attach, and then it had this little bag that goes with it. If I had the spare money, I would honestly get another one of these boxes and sell the things I don't need, because these overnight bags are just awesome. Look, it has these pockets here to keep the things separated. It's really super nice. It has a really big zip pocket here. I mean, it is really super huge. Look how huge this is. Nice bottom. I don't know if that's real leather or if it's vegan leather. It's Henny plus Lev. I'm not sure what that's supposed to be, but this, I really like that bag. We go stay at my mom's some because Levi won't stay away from me, and sometimes we go and I stay with him. That bag is $159. So this box, even though it's on the higher end, you can see you get really high-end quality things. Look, I love this bag. Like I said, I did not have a nice, any overnight bag actually, and this is, I mean, you could go away, me and Levi could go away for 2 or 3 days and pack here. I mean, we'd have to pack. Oh, it even has the little ID tag where you can put your ID in it if you were like going on a flight or something. So we got that for $159. Got the sarong. I think this was the most expensive item, and look how it's, I mean, can you imagine? Look how thin it is. I mean, it's pretty, and it's so many ways you can wear it, but I think that is the most expensive item in the box. What was that? $195, yeah. So the bag, overnight bag, was $159. The sarong was $195. This blush and contour palette was $34. This Grown Alchemist was $49. Oh, the earrings were, what did I say, $55. And my really cool towel that says it was valued at $170 that I got completely free. Now you can't beat that. So that is what we got in the Box of Style summer box. I think that was really worth it, and the earrings really are not heavy at all. I figured they would be, but they're really not. So that was everything. Yes, that was everything. So thank you very much for watching. If you got this far, please consider subscribing if you haven't already done so. I thank my loyal subscribers so much, and until next time, oh yeah, and please, if you haven't clicked the thumbs up, please do so. I keep being reminded that that is extremely important when you have a channel. I think she said it helps. The more thumbs up you have or something, it helps people find